the frequency being generated.
No
Whoa.
way! No way!
I see
It's
something
working.
right there.
It's working. No way.
Do you see that? Whoa, it is working.
Yeah.
It is working. Okay, guys, we're gonna play the next frequency over top of it, and that's 525. Whoa. You guys hear the sound?
Whoa, it's getting
Okay.
longer.
So this should open up a portal. Oh my god. It's working.
It's working.
Whoa. Whoa. You guys see this? What the heck? Where is that? Oh my god. Wow. Where is that, guys? If anybody knows where that is, let me know in the comments right now. I can't even believe this. I cannot believe my... And the portal's closing. Portal's... And there it goes, just like that. Just like that, it's gone. Guys, like the portal might not...
That must be one of the craziest things that I ever seen in time my eyes. Plus that landscape through that portal looks kind of cool.